Hi, Aya J. And also to you, Ate Lailay. I was asked by Julian to answer the question, what makes Aya J happy? Aya J is happy when he plays basketball. He used to play this game a lot until he got his leg injured. He also enjoys sharing funny jokes to us, but he is most happy to sing. He sings very well. We usually do some karaoke sessions together. And when it's gonna be his turn to sing, never expects he will stop singing until it's time to leave. He is a professional singer. He is also very much into cars. All in all, I can say that he is very happy guy, especially now he found his beautiful wife. And I will give a short message to Ate Laila. Hi, hello again, say hi. I would like to congratulate you and I want you to know that you are very welcome in our family. We are blessed to have you and I am hoping that you feel the same as well. We are cousins now and I wish that you would be blessed with many beautiful and healthy kids. And don't forget to put God in the center of your marriage. We wish you all the best. Thank you and again congratulations.